The Blue Mountains is an enchanting destination year-round, boasting vibrant autumn hues, a crisp winter chill, colorful spring blossoms, and a refreshing summer atmosphere. The region is densely covered with oil-bearing eucalyptus trees, which release droplets of oil into the air. Combined with dust particles and water vapor, these droplets scatter shorter wavelengths of light, creating the area's signature blue haze. Recognized for its natural beauty and ecological significance, the Greater Blue Mountains was added to the World Heritage List in 2000 and included in the National Heritage List on 21 May 2007.